Listen, it is currently 10:58 at night, okay? Damn near 11 o'clock at night. But I could not go to bed without opening up this Discovery Set from TUMI. The keen-eyed amongst you guys know this brand for selling luggage or backpacks and stuff like that. And I know you guys might be thinking, why the hell would you go out and buy fragrances from a place that doesn't sell fragrances, that specialize in backpacks and luggage and stuff like that? And honestly, I couldn't tell you. But a viewer, a subscriber, his name's Fred, look in the comments for like 2 videos ago. He recommended me to go try out this, I can't say house because they're not a fragrance house. For the sake of this video, we're gonna say the House of TUMI. I don't know if I said this, but I don't know jack shit from this fragrance house or jack shit about any of these fragrances because I don't think I've seen anyone talk about these. So we're gonna find out if these are really good or not. They're like tiny bottles too. Look how cute. I don't know. I would say they're a little cute. I would say they're cute bottles, but it's a little sus. First one from this house. Damn, look how tiny this bottle is in my hand. First one from this house is Unwind. Did I just break it? I didn't. What's happening? What's going on? I'm just gonna touch the strip. I thought I was gonna be able to spray it. I hope this doesn't spill on me. In fact, oh! Of course, I have to make a mess. No. Unwind is a no for me. Unless this dries down to be something better than what it is, pass. You know what it smells like? Wait. I smell sandalwood in here. There's something green about this fragrance, but I can't tell you what it is. It's giving me what Santal 33 gave in the opening, but it's not as smooth as Santal 33. Let's move on to the next. Maybe this will dry down to something better. I'll come back to it later. Next up is Continuum. Is there tobacco in that? Oh, come on, I don't want to. No. I'm getting tobacco. Oh, it's dripping down my hand. There's tobacco in there. There's a spiciness in this. It's very woody. I want to say it's oud because a lot of people put oud in this to make it project. And this is strong, but it's good. It's not bad. I would wear this. This is not an everyday wear. This is more like fall, winter. This is a very dark scent, but it's lovely. I give that a solid 7 out of 10. Next up, we got Kinetic. Yeah, I don't know why I didn't think of that. I don't know why I didn't think of that beforehand. Oh, that's gas. Oh, that's gas. Oh, it's woody. I think there's sandalwood in this too. I could be smelling it on my hand, but I think there's sandalwood in this. It's a bit floral, a tiny bit sweet, but I'm not sure where the sweetness is coming from. Not bad. This is a solid 9. That's a solid 9 out of 10. These bottles have what times on them? Hours? Also, what time zone is GMT? What the heck is that? Why is this bubbling? Oh, sorry. This is Atlas. It's like we're doing a science experiment. Damn it. That's good. This is a good freshie. Okay, TUMI. I smell limes. Is there sandalwood in this too? Yo, is there sandalwood in all these fragrances? Ooh, no. Not lime. Bergamot? There's a citrus in here. This is good. This is good. If I had to rank them right now as a freshie, Atlas might be number 1, and then Kinetic number 2, then Continuum, and then Unwind. Unwind is last right now. Oh, there's some woods in here that's giving a little bit of punch. Atlas is one I think people can just go and blind buy. Although I don't recommend blind buying fragrances, but if you wanted to, this one is very blind buy safe. I think a lot of freshies are blind buy safe, now that I'm thinking about it, but try before you buy. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna give this one a wear too. Last but not least, we have Awaken. This one is citrusy. Yeah, citrus blast. There's some woods in here, some citruses, some kind of spice or herb. You know, sometimes I wish I was a perfumer, because I'd be able to sit here and be like, oh, is this note and this note and this is what I'm smelling, because I'm not the most educated person, but I smelled quite a bit of fragrances to be able to pick up on some specific notes. Maybe not notes, but accords. But this, oh man. Top 3. If you thought Atlas was a safe blind buy, Awaken is a safe blind buy. It's definitely awakening my senses, my nostrils, my sense of smell. This thing, oh my, wow. All in all, TUMI, can't be mad at it. Y'all did your thing. Some of these fragrances, they do smell like things I've smelled in other houses, but for what it is, can't be mad at it. It's pretty good, pretty affordable. I think they're all like $125 a bottle. I think they have more exclusive scents, but I don't know for sure. But if you've made it this far into this video, one, I want to thank you. You guys are the reason why I continue to do this. 2, if you made it this far into the video, please let me know in the comment section. Have you tried any of these 5 fragrances? And if you have, which ones are your favorite? Because mine is Atlas, Continuum, and Awaken. Awaken, Atlas, Continuum, in that order. Oh, Kinetic's not bad. It's I gotta rank them. I'm going on. I'm tired. Good night.